What's up beautiful people, this is Mike from Mike Gadgets World, and in today's video we're gonna be testing the input lag on the LG OLED C10 versus the LG OLED C1. And yes, we're gonna be doing all that using this right here, 4K lag tester. You wanna have a closer look right here. It is by the Leo Bodner. It comes from UK. It's kind of a good device. People use it professionally to do the lag testing. I wish I had the one which Artings uses it. I mean, it can do 120 Hertz 4K, but right now we're going to be using this and doing the 4K 60 Hertz lag test on the LG OLED C10 versus the LG OLED C1. So I'll see you on the other side. Make sure hit the subscribe button if you haven't already and hit that notification bell because that helps me a lot. Whenever I make the content, it goes to you guys. And hit the like button on this video, guys, please. I mean, that's why I came in the video. Well, I'll see you on the other side. Alright guys, so now you can see that LG OLED C10 is right in front of you, and I'm plugging in that HDMI cable and also powering it up with the USB port available at the back of the TV. And as soon as everything is plugged in, you will see that HDMI port number 4 popping up, and I'm going to switch to that input, and there's going to be a fast pattern running at a crazy speed. So I have to place this tester right in front of that to make sure that I get that input lag test. I was already in the game mode, so you can already get the idea. It was going down to 14, 13, but also like it measures like the light around you. So you have to be careful. You have to place it on the TV. So in the standard mode, I was getting 88, 89, and then it jumps to like 97. So that is outside of the game mode. So if you're outside the game mode and you're playing Call of Duty, you're playing Battlefield 5, you're playing fast-paced game where you have to be really competitive, these modes are not good at all. If you're outside the game mode, you're going to be getting 98, 97% lag. That's a lot. So I'm going to go back to the game mode and see what input lag do we get there. And in the game mode, it jumps down from 31 to 14.7. 14.6 is the least that I've seen when I was doing the test. So 14.7 is just amazing. You know, when you jump from 97, 88, you are down to like 14.6, 14.7. This is incredible. I mean, you can do the gaming. I had LG OLED E6, sorry, the picture on the glass one, that had 36 millisecond of lag in 2016. And now we are in 2021 and we are down to 14.6. So hats off to the TV technology. You know, we are getting into the bigger competitive screens. So amazing. All right, so after this test, I will plug this into the LG OLED C1 and we will see what input lag do we get there. All right, so now is the time we are plugged in. You can see my input lag went down to 2 ms, 8 ms and all that because right now I'm facing my tester up and just measuring the input lag for my light that I have overhead. So if you want to buy the light that I have up there, it has the least input lag. So if you want to know what is better than LG OLED C1 right now, the light above me. All right, so just kidding. All right, so once it is set up, you have to place the tester right in front of that pattern to get the accurate reading. I was already in the game mode because I was doing some testing for the nits and all that stuff, but I'm gonna go back to standard mode here, and then I was getting the same pattern as I had on the LG OLED C10, 88, 97, 88.9, 97.1. It was no different. It was similar to the LG OLED C10, ditto copy. I mean, same to same. You have seen that, right? So out of the game mode on the standard, they were both at the bar. But then the real deal, which is the gaming, that's where the input lag matters. So I'm going to switch it to the game optimizer, the game mode on the LG OLED C1. And let's see, what do we get? All right, it's the same pattern almost from 34. Then we jump down to 29, and then we jump down to 12.3, which is stable now. Okay, so the 12.3 and 14.6, so we have a little bit over 2.3 ms lead on the LG OLED C1 as compared to the LG OLED C10. So with the improvement, you're getting 2.3 milliseconds of the better input lag. And if you compare it with the LG OLED E6 in 2016,
that was 36 millisecond lag. So it has come a far way where it is becoming super competitive for the biggest screen gaming, and it's just getting excited every year. I know it's not a big deal, 2 milliseconds only, but every year we are getting closer. You know, it matters a lot. 1 ms, 2 ms. We are down to 12.3 ms, so we're gonna get there where the TV is gonna be just like, you know, these computer gaming monitors. So technology is getting there where, you know, we'll get that competitive big screen gaming. So that's all I have from this video, guys. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in another one. Until then, peace out and have a great weekend and happy Good Friday, guys. So yeah, it's the time. This weekend just flew by. Didn't even know it's already that weekend. So enjoy, guys, and I'll see you in another one. Peace out.